It's an old brass P-trap. It's just slowly starting to leak. But this is Galvy, so I'm gonna chop it right here. We're gonna go tubular, keep it the same as what we got. Alright. Okay, there's no way to get this back there or a Sawzall. There's no way I can get a clean cut on it and still get leverage. So one way to do it, I put the pipe wrench on there and it just broke the threads right off.
Is it because it was old?
Yeah, it's just old and crusty. Broke the threads right off. I barely put any pressure on it. Now, boy, that's crusty.
Is that bad? Or
Yeah, I mean,
used to be there? Oh my gosh, that's really.
I'll clean that out.
Holy moly!
Surprised that was even draining.
What the? Oh, it doesn't drain well. The amount of times it gets clogged up.
It's gonna drain well now, I'll tell you that much. It'll drain good after this. Oh, yeah. That's a tubular by 1.5 inch. No hub band. Not leaking anymore. Alright, let's fill it and dump it a few times. Make sure none of this is leaking. There's no way to stop this up. So you don't have a stopper or anything?
I never came with one and I never put it in.
Huh.
There was a reason for me to.
Alright. Well,
No, I'm supposed to have. I used the thing and help.
it's not leaking anymore.
Well,
adjust that no-hub band a little
How bad
bit.
is the bottom? Like, is that?
No, what, this?
Because remember, it's had water damage so much, and they never actually did anything about it. Sorry.
No, it's just crusty from storing stuff under here, but there's
No, that's how it was when we moved in.
I mean, this is just cracked paint. What they did is they painted the wood. And it's just cracked paint, see? I mean, if I take a screwdriver, I
The
can...
thing, when it was wet, because I've had the sink fixed multiple times since I moved in, it was just soaking in with water many times, and they just left it like this. So I don't know what's under
I
there.
don't see any water damage here.
I'm just saying that's what it just got worse over the time I've been here.
It just looks like they painted the wood and the wood's just cracking. It's just,
Fun stuff.
yeah.
Which would really be excited about.